up from my window.
Hey loves, my name is Brianna K, and today I'm sharing with you my pregnant morning routine. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm currently pregnant with our third baby. We are due in November, and my morning routine has changed a lot during this pregnancy. So here's what it currently looks like with two kids, ages 3 and 5.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon.
Lately, I've been waking up at 7 a.m. And if you don't have a pregnancy pillow like the one I have, you need this, mama. It is the only reason I get any sleep at all. Adam has actually nicknamed it Bob and Susan because he said it feels like there's two extra people we're snuggling with in our bed, but it is the most comfortable thing in the world. And first thing in the morning, I always have to pee so bad. I usually have woken up 2 to 3 times during the night to go, but it's just one of those pregnancy symptoms.
Just looking at you makes my whole world spin.
First part of my morning routine, I like to wash my face. I put in my contacts, brush my teeth. I also try to get dressed early before the kids wake up because if I can, I like to go for an early morning walk.
I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared.
And on my belly, I'm using Palmer's cocoa butter. I use this during all of my pregnancies to try to prevent stretch marks, and I feel like it's so far so good. And lately, I also try to only wash my hair once a week just because we're home and it saves a lot of time, causes less damage. So if my scalp is looking a little bit oily, I'll use this Heritage dry shampoo on the roots. It smells so amazing, especially with pregnancy nose where you're smelling everything way more intensely. And I will then add a little bit of oil to the ends just to keep them from drying out too bad in between washes. And I get asked a lot. I do have extensions in my hair, by the way, they're sewn in. And I also have to use Blistex every single morning because my lips get so dry at night. I don't know if that happens to anyone else during pregnancy, but it always happens to me so badly. And I also put on my Monet moisturizer and eye cream each morning too. Did you put your dress on this morning? Wow. The Ariel one? You look great. Cute. Here, you can come down with me while I make my coffee. Okay? Hope the back of your dress isn't buttoned up. And this morning I was in for a little surprise. My little girl Prezi woke up early, got herself dressed, crashed my routine. So she helped me make my coffee. And don't forget to subscribe while you watch today if you're new. I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing lots of decor videos, cleaning videos, mommy vlogs, lots of good stuff coming your way over these next few weeks. And just so you don't ever miss a video, make sure all of your notifications are turned on. A while ago, I switched to completely decaf coffee and it has helped my anxiety so much. I used to get horrible chest pains and this has made such a difference. And it's not that I haven't had anxiety over stuff, thanks COVID, but if anxiety is something that you're struggling with too, I just always like to recommend this because I feel like it made the biggest difference in how I physically feel. So again, just want to share in case it could help you too.
I've seen many places where the beauty never
You okay? And I have a mom hack for breakfast. I've shared how I meal prep a ton of pancakes in my Cook With Me meal prep videos. But if you meal prep a huge batch of pancakes, you can freeze them. So I just put a bunch in a gallon Ziploc freezer bag And then to reheat them in the morning, I just pop them in the microwave for 45 to 60 seconds. And then the kids are so happy because they love pancakes for breakfast. But this way I don't have to deal with the cooking and the cleaning up of the stove and the kitchen every single morning. So it just makes my mornings a lot easier. And at this point, my son Landon heard us talking down in the kitchen, so he came to eat his breakfast with us too.
Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is.
Okay, how many days till school?
I have 29.
29. How many days for Presley?
And plus you're taking too much off. Here you go.
42 days for Presley.
Lately,
After breakfast, I finished getting Landon dressed and then brushed teeth and hair with them. And then I went to finish my makeup while they started playing. I know that it can probably seem pointless when you're at home all day to wear makeup, but this is just a little bit of quiet time, especially since the kiddos didn't sleep in. It was just an extra 10 to 15 minutes to gather my thoughts, listen to a motivating podcast. Sometimes I'll listen to music too, just depending on my mood. And if you want to see my full makeup routine, you can check out my Get Ready With Me video that I made a few weeks ago.
'cause I long for you every single night.
Well, here's the after for my makeup. I did a really fast makeup routine today just to get it done because I'm a little bit frustrated. This is mom life, this is real. That my normal morning routine got crashed because my little ones got up a bit earlier than they normally do. So what I would do after I wash my face is go downstairs and make my coffee and bring it up here, do my makeup, listen to a podcast or really motivational music, and then go downstairs, do my daily devotional, look over my calendar for the day, check any hot emails or DMs that I have to respond to, and just kind of get ahead and jump on things before the kids wake up, because once they wake up, it's all about them. It's making sure they have breakfast and getting dressed and hair done and teeth brushed and all of that stuff. So that always just helps me. I feel like mentally feel like, okay, I'm ahead a little bit. And right now I'm feeling like I'm really behind. So a lot of times too, I check the weather and I'll actually get up then even earlier if it's a very hot day, so I can do my walk in the morning, or if it's going to be a rainy day, which it's looking like it is today. So I might just have to pop outside to do my walk. I try to walk for an hour every single day just to get fresh air, and it really helps with anxiety because I've been having quite a bit since being in quarantine and feeling like I'm a prisoner in my own house. So that walk outside, I think, like really helps with all of those feelings that I'm sure you're probably having too right now. Like, it's a struggle right now. And the one I feel like blessing of all of this is that Adam can now work from home every single day. He doesn't have to go into an office. And that is just helpful then, so that we can kind of tag team the childcare between my work, his work, and that kind of just makes it a little bit easier. But he's up now. I've got the kids set up to play, and that's why I could come up here and take a little break and do my makeup. But I'm gonna try to hop into my calendar and my emails this morning and check the weather to see when I can go on my walk.
Yeah.
Adam's been snoring a lot lately and keeping me up, so this is my little morning present.
Yeah.
Thanks,
I've been
babe.
trying everything. I don't know.
If you have any snoring remedies, please let us know.
Yeah, because then I don't sleep because then she wakes me up when I'm snoring. So it's really a self-serving gift, but.
Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end.
So then I'll clean up from breakfast while the kids are still playing. I feel like at age 3 and 5, they usually get along pretty well, at least first thing in the morning. They'll play quietly together, or sometimes they'll just play with each of their own toys. Landon is really into Lincoln Logs right now, and Prezi really likes dress up or playing with her dolls. So a lot of times she'll be like feeding her baby, doing her little morning routine with her baby while they play. But then I can clean up and I can look over my calendar, and I read my devotional on this morning too, since they were playing so nicely.
Then you offered your umbrella and everything changed. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end. Wait up, sundown, wait a while before you let the night descend. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. Please make this moment last. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. No reason to be fast. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end. Wait up, sundown, wait a while before the night descends. Oh, wait up, sundown, wait a while. There's no reason to be fast.
And I always try to get outside in the mornings in the summer before it gets too hot, because the kids love playing outside.
You making hopscotch?
Especially with bubbles and sidewalk chalk these days. So I will bring my laptop out and get a little bit of work done while they're playing outside.
And now that you're gone, I'm thinking
Say boy.
You like your bubbles, huh? I love you too.
Mommy, this is going to be the thing that you like roll it on. But whichever one you land on, you need to skip that one.
Okay.
Not do with this, because if you go that one, you need to skip it.
Okay.
I'll be okay. Moving on, seeing it all in a whole new light. Thinking of reasons to make it all be.
Prezi, what happened?
It's spilled.
Spilled.
Daddy, that bubble
That's alright.
Daddy, that bubble on the bush was spinning, but then it popped.
It
Look
did?
at Daddy, see all these tiny drops in that spider web?
Yeah.
Some bubbles must have went into that spider web there.
used to be over. And now that I'm free from all the chains you kept me in, I'll be okay. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay. I'll let you know.
And the weather was calling for some rain this day, so Adam told me to go on my walk before it stormed because he could do the same thing. He could work on the computer while the kids played, which I feel like is just working from home life during COVID. It's such a balancing act for the both of us, but I really appreciated him watching them so I could get to go on my walk before the rain. And I just threw in some laundry very quickly before I went on my walk.
Shine through. I made up my mind. I'm waiting to find you.
And then once I was home, I made myself breakfast, Honey Nut Cheerios with a banana. But thank you so much for watching my morning routine. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye, loves.